Hi guys, so we're going to look at the Rolé, okay? Very simple move again, basic move. You might need to condition yourself a little. Here's a couple of exercises I recommend. You do the same thing as before with the squat, except this time we go on the balls of the feet. Yeah? So I'll do it from the side, you can see. I'll do the same thing, but this time balls of the feet, okay? So my heels are off the floor and I don't just collapse, okay? You hold your body so you don't injure yourself. And this opens up the knee quite a lot, so you need to do this maybe before a class. The other thing you can do is once you're down there, if you put your feet together, you can do the same thing, go down, okay? Make sure you don't collapse completely, hold your stomach in, yeah? And you can move a bit like this, okay? It's going to give you some balance. The other thing is you put one foot in front and just see where you are, you know? You're balancing on this foot mainly, but this foot you can control where you are, okay? So sometimes if I put this foot across here, I'll fall here. If I put this foot across here, I'll fall here. And it's good to get this little motion. My foot goes here, my body naturally will go this way, okay? If it goes across, then naturally I fall this way. And again, we put our hands on the floor, fully open like this, and fingers spread apart, okay? Let's have a look at that from the side, okay? In this position, and you put one foot in front, okay? So that's my balanced position. If I move the foot, I go this way, or the other way, okay? Where do you put your hand? You put the hand naturally here. If it's too close, you'll feel the tension, yeah? If it's too far, it'll be not correct. You just find the place that's good for your body shape, okay? Those exercises are quite useful and I want you to try them. With one more exercise, you just put your weight on one leg and you go forward, change to the other leg. So you're walking. Okay, this, I'm not leaning on the floor, it's just for balance, okay? So you take a step and you walk. You should be able to turn and do this. When you change your weight, all my weight goes on one leg, balance with the hand, step, change, okay? This is a very simple move, but very useful when you're playing capoeira, okay? To be able to do. And Master Jean Pequeno, when I met him, he was 76 years old, and he walked around the whole room, quite a big gym, like in this position. It was part of his routine, okay? So let's dismiss what's good and bad from us, from the scientists, and accept that your body will tell you if it's good or not. If you want it to be good, you practice, and I don't think you'll have problems, okay? It's about practice and conditioning.